my interest is safety, and what I would like to increase my knowledge in the safety area and the emergency response system. That's why I chose the ERP course in IATA. And my plans are to become a safety manager with wider knowledge in the safety issues and the safety related issues and consequences. The course is gonna give to me basically a knowledge in some reactions plan from the emergency response. And that is why I chose this course. Basically, I want a tough preparation in the safety management, in the risk assessment, and also in the emergency response as well. Simulation is a really nice, good exercise, real-time exercise. You have the possibility to take into actions all the knowledge you have, and this is extremely useful for us because it's not only a theoretical preparation, but it is a practical as well. It is, absolutely. It has some realistic issues, some delays, some lack of information. That's as a real operation style.